Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Here I solve LeetCode problems and prepare to record interview. Today's problem number 1657. Determine if two strings are close. Medium level. Two strings are considered close if you can attain one from the other using the following operations. Operation 1. Swap any two existing characters, for example B and E. Operation 2. Transform every occurrences of one existing character into another existing character and do the same with the other character. For example, all A swap with all B. You can use the operations on either strings as many times as necessary. Given two strings, word 1 and word 2, return true if word 1 and word 2 are close and false otherwise. Let's do it. First of all, the two strings must have equal length. So it's the first condition. Second necessary thing, two strings must have the same characters but different numbers. So if one string has some character that doesn't exist in the second string, then we can swap any characters to these characters appear. So it's second condition. Third condition, we need to count how many times each characters exist in each string, and the list of these numbers should be the same. So it can be some characters can be can exist one time, of the characters two times, and another characters three times. And in the second strings, the same characters can be in a different order. So first characters three times, second characters two times, and the third characters one time. And we can swap them and finally get the same string. So let's do it. First condition, both strings must have the same length. So it's length of word 1 doesn't equal length of word 2. Return false. Second thing, we need to count characters in each string. To do it, we can use function counter from package collections, and let's call it C1 and C2. Counter of word 1. As a result, we will get a dictionary C1 with keys are characters, and values the number of occurrences. And the same C2 equals to counter of word 2. And now we need to check that these two dictionaries have the same keys, equals to C2 dot keys, and sorted values C1 dot values equals to sorted C2 dot values. That's its solution. Quite simple and short. Let's check tests. Test passed. Submitted. So that's it. It's simple, pretty efficient, and quite good. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.